In this geography snippet, we are going to look at a 3-mark explain question. The 3-mark explain question means that you have to do something called double developing a point. So it does specify again that it's just one particular thing that you need to cover. So on a 4-mark explain question, you'll be asked to deal with 2 separate ideas. On a 2-mark explain question, you will have to deal with 1 idea, and that's the same with a 3-mark. The difference being that you just need to develop it and go into a little bit more detail. So the question here is, you have studied the management of either volcanic or earthquake hazards. Explain one way long-term planning can reduce the loss of life. Okay, so for our particular question, we will be talking about earthquakes because that's what we've studied as part of our course. So I'm trying to think of management that can reduce the loss of life. So I'm going to talk about something to do with the design of the buildings. So I'm going to put here that buildings are designed to withstand the forces of an earthquake. So that would be 1 mark. I've made my point. And now I need to say, well, how then is this going to help to reduce the loss of life? Okay, this means that they are less likely to collapse in an earthquake. Okay, so that's my 2nd point. So how does this then reduce the loss of life? Therefore, fewer people will be buried in collapsed buildings, losing their lives. And that would get me my 3rd point. So on a 3-marker, once you've written your answer, I would advise you to read back through and use your fingers to tot up how many points have I made. Have I made an initial point? Buildings are designed to withstand the forces of an earthquake. Have I then developed that? This means that they are less likely to collapse in an earthquake. And then have I said what the significance of that is, linking back to the loss of life. Therefore, fewer people will be buried in collapsed buildings, losing their lives. So on a 3-mark explain, you need to double develop. Remember, it will just say one way, so don't introduce an additional one. You won't get any credit for that. You must stick to one way. You must make your point, develop it, and then go into more detail.